Okay everybody, Darren again from Raider Express and the Fort Worth CDL School with another recipe for the guys, girls, whoever's out there. This is going to be off of volume 2 that's getting ready to come out for the Express cooking that we'll have online for the drivers at raiderexpress.net. So we're going to do ribs today. So we're going to start out with some basic pork ribs. They've already been cut up. I cut them so that there's 2 bones to 3 bones to each one. We're just going to place them down in here inside the crock pot. I always use a slow cooker bag. It makes it easy for us. Makes it much more easy to clean up later and also to put away and store, because you can freeze and refrigerate using these. We're going to start off. We're going to put a little bit of garlic powder on it this time, not salt. I'm going to use the McCormick's chicken seasoning instead of the Monterey steak. We'll use a little bit of basil. Now we're going to put in Sweet Baby Ray's. We're going to use the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. We're just going to coat it real good. We're going to let it slow cook. Ribs take about 4.5 to 5 hours. This is something that if you're put it on in the morning and you drive in your truck, as you drive along, it'll cook for you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bag, I'm going to roll it up, and I'm going to tie it. What this is going to do is give me space in here to be able to do my next pieces that'll go right along with this. So we're going to do asparagus, and we're going to do corn on the cob. We're going to put it right in pieces of foil, so I'll lay out 2 pieces of foil. You can use fresh, you can use frozen, whatever you want. If you don't like asparagus, you can use broccoli or cauliflower or carrots, anything you think you like. You don't have to put anything in it. We're just going to put a bunch of asparagus in this. I'm going to roll it up. Crimp the ends. Lay it right inside. Let me get my corn on the cob. We'll put 2 pieces in this. That way if there's more than one of you or you want to eat quite a bit, you can. I'm using a frozen small corn, if they'll come out of the bag. Just like this. Going to place them end to end. Roll it down. Crimp the ends. We're going to put the top on it. Once again, it's a secure top. That way you don't worry about it spilling while you're driving down the road, hitting bumps. We'll place this under the bunk, plug it in. We're going to put it on high and let it cook for about 4.5 hours. When you're ready and it's done, if you put a potato, baked potato, right in your microwave it, and this is what you'll have. Easy, neat, easy cleanup, ready to go, excellent. Ribs, barbecued, corn on the cob, asparagus, and a baked potato. Enjoy.